Welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Sanfu Violet Forest in Yilan, Taiwan. We spent one night in this picturesque natural retreat surrounded by trees and water. It offers a truly unique setting and experience. Come check out this hotel and see if it's a great place for you to stay. Our family of four stayed in a two-story loft overlooking the main garden and pond. The main living area features high ceilings with simple decor. The king bed was firm yet comfortable. Coffee, tea, and a refrigerator are included. The bathroom is minimalistic, compact, and straightforward. Upstairs, the loft provides space for two beds and is air-conditioned. It overlooks the main living area, and my children thoroughly enjoyed their living quarters. Exploring the hotel grounds is delightful as everything is meticulously maintained and exudes a serene atmosphere. There is a back-to-basics ambiance, encouraging guests to unwind and appreciate the enchanting surroundings. I do wish I had more time to enjoy these grounds and just sort of soak it in. And if you're missing your fur babies, there are a couple dogs here on site. It is a family-friendly destination, and the hunt for various insects offers an educational and enjoyable experience. In the evening, we participated in a night crawl led by a guide who showcased various native insects, spiders, and amphibians, including a large frog that landed on my son's glasses. The tour was both entertaining and informative. Breakfast is served in the hotel's restaurant located downstairs. While the menu is basic and not particularly flavorful, it fulfilled its purpose. The primary attraction of this hotel lies in its purest experience. The remote location, distinctive surroundings, and emphasis on nature and preservation were the standout features of our stay. What do you think? Thanks for watching.